Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to uncover one of the most powerful yet simple functions in the Tidyverse toolkit, the select function. So picture this, you've got a huge dataset but you're only interested in a few specific columns. Instead of manually picking them out, select does all the heavy lifting for you. It's actually quite similar to the select clause in SQL. First things first, make sure you've got Tidyverse loaded. If you haven't installed it, check out my previous video on how to do that. Now let's dive in. Here's our sample dataset. Let's say we only need the first two columns, ID and name. With select, we can do it very easily. We just need to write select, ID and name. There you go. And just like that, we can select the first two columns with select. But wait, there's more. What if we want to select all columns starting with a specific letter or pattern? We can do we can use starts with and write A inside quotes. This will give us the column that starts with A, age. How cool is that? Now here's a pro tip. What if there's a column you don't need? Instead of selecting all the columns you want, you can just deselect the one you don't need. Let's try out that one. We can write select minus marks. And you can see just like that the marks column is gone. But wait, what if we want to drop multiple columns at once? We can do we can just write all the columns inside select and write minus C. And this will remove both the columns. Let us check. Now as you can see, age and marks have been removed. And that's just scratching the surface of what select can do. It's a game changer for cleaning up your data and keeping your R scripts neat and efficient. If you're excited to learn more about Tidyverse tricks, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into data manipulation with more powerful functions. Thanks for watching.